method. Let's start with Google sign in first. Enable it. Yeah, select email, saved it. Yeah, and let's jump into the code. Go to app.js file. Let's create a button. Give give any name. Let's name it sign in. Sign in. Sign in with Google. That's it. Yeah. Of and create a function name. Sign in with Google. Name the function sign in with Google. Async. We are using async of it. Yeah. Try catch block. Insert try catch block for error handling. Console.log error. That's it, mate. Done. So let's create a provider. Create a provider variable provider. New, we are using Google login, so we have to create a Google auth provider. Google auth provider and import it from Firebase auth module. Yeah, done. After that, result wait. Yeah, sign in with pop-up. We have to use this function sign in with pop-up because we are going to log in with Google. The first parameter is auth from Firebase.js file, and the second argument will be provider because we are using Google auth provider. That's it. Then console.log sign log user log user. Yeah, result dot user. That's it. That's it, mate. Yeah. So let's create on click method. On click sign in with Google. Control save. That's done. Yeah. Now start the server npm start. Yeah, it will open the app on localhost 3000 port. Yeah, this is our button. So let's do some CSS with the button app. Yeah, display flags, justify content center, align atom center. It will align the atom in the center of the page. Control. Yeah, you will see. Now give the height under view circle center element in the center of the page. That's it. You will see now our button is in on the center of the page. So let's click on the button. Sign in with Google. Yeah, done made. So it will open all the Google login. So let's play with the first one. Sign in. Continue. Yeah. So now we successfully signed in with Google login. Let's go. Let's jump into the Firebase portal. Let's go into the user section. You will see boom. So our user is successfully signed in with Google provider. So Google login is done now. Let's check in the console in the Chrome. You will see. So we will get the new user data here. Yeah. So Google login is successfully done now, mate.